Standard 4th, EVS 1, air. Look in this picture. What are the people in the picture doing? One man is pumping air into a cycle tube. A boy is blowing air in rubber balloon. One man is filling air in the tire of a car. Check this experiment. Take water in a big container. Take a small narrow container. Hold it upside down on the surface of the water. And without tilting it, push it down into the water. Now allow it to tilt. What do you see? Bubbles rise at once to the top. What does this tell us? Air is lighter than water. So air bubbles rise to the top as soon as the container is tilted. It means that there was air even in the container that appeared to be empty. Means there is air. One more experiment. Take large sheets of any waste paper or old newspaper and tear each of the sheets into 4 pieces. Now place these sheets of paper one at a time in a pile on the floor. As the pile grows, observe the difference that can be seen in the layers of paper at the top of pile and those near the floor. What we have observed? What do you see? As we place more and more papers on the pile, the sheets at the lower level are pressed down by the sheets above them. The distance between the papers in the lower part of the pile becomes less while the papers in the upper part appears to be further apart. What does this tell us? The lower layers bear more weight than the upper layers of paper. Compared to that, the upper layers bear less weight. Atmosphere. Now what is atmosphere? The earth on which we live is round in shape. This is our earth. And there is air all around the earth. There is air all around the earth. This covering of air around the earth is called the atmosphere. As we go away from the earth, the layers of air become thinner. That is, the layers of air closest to the earth are very close to each other, while the ones at higher levels are not so close. The air at greater heights is rare. The earth atmosphere is made up of air. The circle in this picture shows all the air in the atmosphere. If we divide the circle into 5 parts, say 5 parts it is divided, then oxygen in the air will be equal to one of the parts. The oxygen in the air is used both for burning as well as respiration. See, plant prepare food here. Plant prepare food, getting sunlight, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water. Means here, with the help of air, means plants need air to prepare food also, or to grow. Plants make their food using air and water in the presence of sunlight. When plants make their food, they use the carbon dioxide from the air. Now look at this experiment. When you place ice in a glass and it becomes very cold, droplets of water settle on its outside. It means that water too is present in the air in the form of gas. The largest part of air is made up of still another kind of gas. Yeah, another kind of gas. This gas is called nitrogen. Thus, there are several gases present in air. In other words, air is a mixture of several gases. Look at this picture. The burning that takes place in factories, vehicles, stores, and kitchen, etc., gives out smoke. This smoke too mixes with the air around us. So always remember, fuels like coal, petrol, and diesel give out smoke while burning, which mixes with the air. This can cause ill health. So we have learned in this, air is everywhere. Thank you.